Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplying algebraic fractions. Multiplying algebraic fractions follows the same rules as multiplying ordinary fractions. The following rules are useful. Number 1, multiply the numerators. Number 2, multiply the denominators. And number 3, simplify if possible. Let's look at some examples to illustrate how these rules work. The first one is m over 2 times m over 3. So the first rule says multiply the numerators. M times m is m squared. The second rule says multiply the denominators. 2 times 3 is 6. So we have m squared over 6. It says simplify if possible. We cannot simplify this any further, so that's the answer. The next one, 5k over 6 times 4m over 7. When you multiply the numerators, according to the rule, we get 20km. When you multiply the denominators, you get 42. You can see straight away that they are both even numbers, so we divide numerator and denominator by 2, which gives us 10km over 21. So that's the simplification, and we do that when it is possible to do so. Number 3, we're multiplying those three algebraic fractions. So if we multiply those three terms together, 3m times 5 is 15m, 15m times 3m is 45m squared. So that's the numerator. 2 times 9my is 18my, 18my by 4y is 72m y squared, because y times y is y squared. Now here we have 45 and here we have 72. Now your knowledge of tables tells you that 9 will divide into 45 evenly and 9 divides into 72. So when we do the division for these numbers here, we get 5 over 8, because 9 5s are 45 and 9 8s are 72. Now m squared over m, when we cancel those two, so you got m times m here, and here you just have m, so that leaves us with m in the numerator. Down here we have a y squared in the denominator, so that stays there, and there is the simplification. So that whole string there of terms multiplied together simplifies to that. We have these two algebraic fractions multiplied together. 4 3s are 12, and multiplying m squared y cubed by ab gives you m squared y cubed ab. So there's the numerator. 5 8s are 40. Multiplying those together gives us my a cubed b squared. Now you can see from your knowledge of tables that 4 divides into each of those numbers. 4 into 12 goes 3, 4 into 40 goes 10. Now let's have a look at the pronumerals. Look at the m's first. M times m here and m there, that gives you m for the numerator. Y cubed here and y there, that gives you y squared for the numerator. A and a cubed, that gives you a squared down here. B and b squared, that gives you b down here. So that is the simplification of that multiplication there. So this video has presented some basic examples which show us how to multiply algebraic fractions together. Just follow these rules here, and of course we must simplify if possible. If we can't simplify, just leave the answer the same.